Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at the question, what is Twitch LOL? Now, Twitch LOL does not mean Twitch laughing out loud. LOL on Twitch means something entirely different, and that is League of Legends. Now, the short abbreviation for League of Legends is LOL, so a lot of people that are not well accustomed to gaming would consider LOL as laughing out loud, as you know, the hip term that is being used everywhere, but it is not, and I am having a hard time searching for League of Legends. Unless I already went through it, I'm not sure. Anyways, let's just search for League of Legends. Okay, maybe LOL. Maybe LOL would be. Okay, it's nowhere to be found. Oh wait, it's right here. Wow, I am blind. Anyways, this is basically Twitch LOL, as in Twitch League of Legends. And once again, LOL does not mean laughing out loud, it just means League of Legends. Well, this is in Twitch LOL, you'll be able to find all the professional / just casual LOL players. As you can see, this guy he's doing champion Q split 2 day 1, and yeah. My apologies. I do have a cold as of the moment, so my voice is very much scratchy right now. So I hope this answers your question on what Twitch LOL is. If you found this video helpful / informative, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.